Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I have laptop Acer as E5-475G. This laptop replace battery, so let's see the video. Now I'm remove the screw or the bottom cover and take the CD-ROM drive out, and I'm continue to remove the screw. Okay, now I'm pull the cover out from the laptop. Wait, I try, and if you want to do at home, please be careful mistake while you do it. Now I'm remove the hard disk drive before and continue to remove the cover but from the laptop. Let's see. This laptop have a problem battery and not stable, so I need to replace it a new battery. Now I replace the cover out. Wait, it's stuck one side. This side so stuck, I try to pull it. Okay, now it's done. Let's see the dust in the laptop. You can see the battery. Okay, now the first time you must to take the power cable out from the board of laptop. Okay, now I'm clean dust. Okay, let's see. Okay, this fan so many days. Now I'm take the battery, all battery out, sorry, and clean dust. This is the new battery. I will be reflected into the laptop. Now this is the wrong side. Sorry for my pronunciation English because I'm voice over the video. Okay, now I'm input the cable battery into the slot. Okay, it's so very hard to take it into the board. Now it's okay. Before you take the screw and cover into the laptop, you must test battery is work or not. Now I'm cut into the finish step. I'm test and check the battery is good, but I will show you when I test it again. Wait for it. Okay, take the screw back. Yes, now I'm test plug the power cable charge and try to make sure the battery light is good. Okay, now wait for laptop power on. This video I hope everyone enjoy. Yes. Okay, now it's 5% of battery. Okay, I wait for it to the 10% battery. Now I think it's good. So I finish this video. I hope everyone enjoy. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.